Hey everyone, Tyler with Management One Property Management, and I wanted to drop you a quick video today about doing resident placement with either a real estate agent or a management company compared to a full service management company. The benefits, the disadvantages, things of that nature, right? So what I'm going to start with is the advantages of doing only a placement with a management company or a real estate agent. So the big advantage is it takes a lot off your plate up front, right? You are having them qualify the renter, having them do the background checks and whatever they need to do to get the most qualified renter in there, okay? The other thing of it is that you're not the point of contact, having to do the showings and things of that nature up front, right? So it takes a lot of pressure off of you so you can focus on your business or whatever you're doing or getting ready to manage it on a monthly basis yourself, okay? They take a lot of that upfront workload off your shoulders, okay? So those are the big advantages. Some disadvantages are, again, you're gonna have to manage it on your own. And if you're like me, I like to be hands-off. I still like to be in the know, however, I wanna be hands-off as much as possible and have it pretty much go on autopilot, whatever that may be. So if you're like me, then that's a big disadvantage because if they're only doing the placement, they're not gonna be managing it for you every single month, taking care of all the maintenance calls, if they need a plumber at 2 a.m. on a Friday night, things of that nature. So that would be a disadvantage. The other disadvantage is a lot of times, not all, but a lot of times if you only do a placement with a real estate agent or a management company, the fee tends to be higher. And if you look at it for annual perspective in terms of cost-wise, it's actually a little bit more if you just do a placement rather than if you have them manage it on a monthly basis as well as get the qualified renter in there. So those are a couple of things to look at. Now, some advantages to piggyback off of that, going with a full service real estate agent who is going to manage it for you on the monthly basis or with a full service management company like us is the advantage of having it managed and on autopilot, as I like to call it, so you don't have to worry about any of it, right? That's a huge advantage. There's tools out there that we have in place, other companies have in place, I'm sure as well, where you can just log in, check on invoices, things of that nature, and you're still in the know, you're not in the dark. However, you're not dealing with the day-to-day items, you're not in direct contact with those renters. We or another company does that for you. We handle all those calls. We have systems in place that if something, God forbid, happens on a Sunday night at 1 a.m., that we're able to go ahead and handle that with emergency services, and you're not having to do that, right? So it's a huge relief. But maybe some disadvantage, I should say, of doing that is you're not as hands-on. So if you're the type of person, maybe you're retired or maybe this is a second business for you, that might not be the best case scenario for you to move forward with a full service. If you're liking to do the maintenance on your own or you have your other people do it for you, you like taking those calls and this is something new and fresh for you and fun and you want to get into managing property, then a full service might not be the best option for you. So again, just wanted to share little snippets of disadvantages as well as advantages going with maybe just doing a placement, as we like to call it, or rent up with a real estate agent or management company compared to a full service property manager. So please give me a call if you have any questions. We're here to help and assist in any way possible. Again, my name is Tyler with Management One Property Management. I appreciate you watching this video and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.